Say hi, everybody.
Hi, everybody.
Hi, guys. This is Melissa and Oliver from Skills for Life, and we're demonstrating cooking with preschoolers. So today we're just going to make a very easy vinaigrette dressing for a salad. So homemade dressings, which are great, always better than store-bought if you can do it. Oliver has brought his Transformers with us today, so they will be observing how everything happens.
1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 1.
4 Transformers?
Yeah.
Oh, do Transformers like lemons? Do Transformers like lemons?
Mom.
Yeah?
Transformers eat lemons.
Oh, they eat lemons?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. So I find that using gadgets with anybody in general, any kids, makes it a really enjoyable experience for them, but especially with our toddlers,
Mom.
especially. Yes.
Okay. What is that?
What is that? Is he going to eat the lemon?
No. What is that name?
Oh, what's their name?
Yeah.
Could this guy's name be Frank?
No.
No. How about his name?
Her name's Frank.
Frank?
Yeah.
Tony?
Her name's Tony.
Could this be a girl? Could this be Katie?
No.
No. And then how about this one? Could that be Sam?
It be Katie's now.
And Sam?
Yeah.
All right. Do you remember how to juice the lemon? Okay. So the lemon, I have a lemon juicer. Makes it a lot easier. So put the lemon in. Okay. So does this need to go over the cup? Okay. So now we close the top. Now we're going to need to squeeze. You might need some mom strength to get it going. You want me to help you? Okay. Let's stand up first. It's going to be easier for you to do it if you stand up. Are we ready to squeeze? Set and squeeze. Whoa, there it goes. Ready? Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, squeeze. Wow, look at all that juice. 1, 2, 3, squeeze. Good job. Okay, now open it up. There's the puck.
I taste it.
He always wants to taste the puck, kind of not something I would necessarily do, but he gets very excited about that. Okay, so that's not going to go in there. Let's put that there. You ready to do the next lemon? I know, that tastes sour. Okay, put it back in. Put this one in. All right. This goes over. Ready? And with preschools, again, it's very sensory, but you're working on, following directions. Ready? Squeeze. 1, 2, 3, go. Squeeze. But even just focus and attending and sticking with something. Oh, big squeeze. Okay, get the puck out.
I'll taste it.
You're going to taste it? And again, they love to smell and taste, and it's a great way to just even start developing their palates because it takes up to 10 times for you to be able to adapt to certain tastes. So again, that exposure, smell, taste at a young age is really, really important. Okay, so Oliver, this is what we're going to do. This is another one of my favorite gadgets. We're going to pour the lemon juice. Can you pour it into here?
Okay.
Oh, are the Transformers watching the lemons? Good. They'll guard the lemons. All right, let's pour our lemon juice into the cup. Is it all in? Okay. Let's add some seasoning. Can you add some salt? Good. Maybe a little bit more salt? Just a little bit more? Oh, that looks good, Oliver. Do you think that's enough salt? Can you add, I'm gonna have you open the cap, but can you do 5 taps of seasoning in there also?
Mm-hmm.
Again, you can give them 1-step directions, 2-step directions. I just make up the counting. So can you count how many? 1,
2, 3,
4, 5. Can you close the cap? That was really good, buddy. That was awesome. Okay, now we get to add one of my favorite things. Can you try to open this jar up? Can you open the lid?
What is
Maybe use 2 hands. Good. This is honey.
I want to taste it.
Can you get a spoon of honey and put it in there? This might get a little messy, but that's okay.
I want to taste it.
Let's get a big spoon of honey and put it in there.
I taste it.
We can taste it, but first let's get all of our honey. We're going to do one more little spoon of
Only
honey.
5.
Oh, with this one, I think we're gonna have to do 2. Put it in. Ooh.
Only taste it.
Really tap it. Make sure all that honey goes in there. All that honey goes in.
Only taste it.
Ooh.
Only taste
Okay. Okay. Ready? Is that honey? Is honey good? Yeah, honey is very good. The benefits of working in the kitchen is you get to taste. He figured that out back when I started baking with him, that was always a fun thing. Is that good, honey? Yeah? Okay, now I need you to add the oil. Okay? Okay, so pick this up. I'm going to have you pour for 5 seconds, buddy. Are you ready?
1,
Well, wait for it to start going. And now here it comes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and off. Okay, so now what we're going to do, and we'll probably maybe add some more oil, but I like to kind of add and taste and figure it out as we go. Okay, ready? Now, this is how this guy works. It just shakes up. If you didn't have this, you just add it into a bowl. You just whisk in with a fork or a whisk your oil, your other mixes. Hey, Oliver, can you mix this? I'm going to have you do 15. You're going to do 15 mixes. So you need 2 hands. Okay, let's set your spoon down. You ready? Go.
1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
9,
9.
10, 11, 12, 13, 14,
15. Come on, how many times should mom go?
5.
5 times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So good turn taking. Oliver, can you do 5 more? 5 more big ones?
Yeah.
Ready?
1,
1, 2, 3, 4,
5.
Awesome.
I taste it.
You want to taste it? Okay. All right, let's see your spoon. This has become Oliver's tasting spoon. All right, we'll pour a little bit there and you tell us. Ooh, Mama gave you a lot. Let's pour a little bit out. Okay, you want to taste it? And tell me how it is? How is that, buddy?
Go. It was cooked.
We need more lemon, or we need more olive oil, right? So the good news is, buddy, you get to add more olive oil. You ready? Let's do 3 seconds. Okay, stand up, 2 hands.
1, 2, 3.
What? 1, 2, 3. Okay. Whoa, what are you trying to do?
5.
5? How about one more dash? Ready?
1, 2.
Ooh, good job.
No.
Oh no, now we have to work on listening. Go ahead.
No.
All right.
5. I have 5.
I think we should add one more dash of salt, please. 1 small dash of salt between the fingers. Nice job. Good. Okay. And I think that we're going to add maybe just a little bit more of honey.
Well, I taste it on my finger, Mom.
Now taste it on your finger. Okay. Okay, now we'll do one last thing of mixing. Is that good, buddy? Oh, okay, and we'll see if this is better.
1.
Okay, all right, buddy, can you do 10 mixes? Here we go, 10 big mixes. Ready?
1, 2, 3, 4,
2.
5, 6, 7, 8.
Whoa, we gotta slow down, big ones. 1, 2.
No, I did.
Okay, you do it.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Woo! 10 good ones. All right, and we go back to our little tasting spoon. Oh, that's much better. Now you have the honey, and now you've got, yeah, that's a lot better. So again, doesn't have to be hard. It's always a little exciting when you bring in someone of this age, but just think about it. At this age, we're working on counting, so we're working on math. We're working on following directions, listening, attending, taking turns. So this is a perfect small activity that we could work on to do those things. Okay? Thank you so, hey, Oliver, can you say goodbye? And thank you so much for working with us today.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.